How to post your business on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Facebook application. Now tap on the Marketplace icon. Now click on Sale. Now choose your category. You can select items, vehicles, or homes for sale or rent. Select item. Now add your item photo. Enter the title. Now enter your price. Now choose category. Now select condition. You can also add descriptions. Now fill up all the details and click on publish. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.